Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix no audio or audio issues in Apex Legends. So the first step, what you need to do here, you need to open up Apex and then go to settings and make sure your master volume is 70% or better, and then your output device is also on default, or if you know the name of your output device, it should be here as well if you want to. And then output here as well, you need to make sure that it's on default, and voice chat input device also, it can be default, or your microphone if you know the name, right? And if you're having problems with your microphone, make sure that incoming voice chat volume is also 70% or more. And also when you talk here, you can make it to open mic, and you should see here your threshold, and then select basically your threshold with the same with this one here as well, right? And then we can go back on basically our settings, and then you just need to go on search settings, then go to sound, and make sure your as you can see here, output device is selected that you're using. Also volume is 40% or better, input device as well here, the right microphone, and also basically percentages are right here. And then what you need to do here more is to go to all sound devices here, or not all sound devices, more sound settings here, go to recording, go to microphone, right click on it, make sure that levels are good here, and also go to advanced and make sure that you're using the highest hertz option here, and also make sure to have these two options, allow applications and give exclusive mode applications priority. And then go to playback, go to your headset or your sound system, go to properties, make sure levels are good here, and also these two options is selected. And then once you're done here, then you go to volume mixer here, run Apex. I just closed, but if you're having problem with an Apex, make sure that also is the good amount of sound here. And also one important step here is make sure that your basically sound on Apex is not on mute here, right? Make sure that it's on, because I have a lot of problems and I don't know where to search it. I had no sound, and simply my basically this little volume icon was on mute on Apex Legends, right? So select the right devices here and make sure that it's not on mute, and it should fix the problem. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.